Introduction. Host, hello and welcome to our video on basic computer usage. In this video, we'll be covering the fundamentals of using a computer, from turning it on to basic navigation. My name is Muhammad Umar, and I'll be your guide throughout this video. Let's get started. Section 1. Turning on the computer. Visuals of the computer's power button and the host's hands turning it on. Host, the first step in using a computer is to turn it on. To do this, simply press the power button, usually located on the front or top of the computer. You'll hear the computer start to boot up, and the screen will turn on. Section 2. Basic navigation. Visuals of the computer's desktop and the host navigating through it. Host, now that the computer is on, let's take a look at the desktop. The desktop is the main screen of the computer, where you can access all of your files, programs, and settings. Let's take a look at some of the basic navigation tools. We have the Start menu, which allows us to access all of our programs and settings. We also have the taskbar, which shows us which programs are currently open. And finally, we have the desktop icons, which allow us to quickly access our files and programs. Section 3. Using the mouse and keyboard. Visuals of the host using the mouse and keyboard. Host, now that we've covered basic navigation, let's talk about how to interact with the computer. We use two main tools to interact with the computer, the mouse and the keyboard. The mouse allows us to click on icons and navigate through the desktop. The keyboard allows us to type and enter commands. Let's practice using the mouse and keyboard to navigate through the desktop. Section 4. Basic computer safety. Visuals of the host discussing computer safety. Host, now that we've covered the basics of using a computer, let's talk about basic computer safety. It's essential to keep your computer safe from viruses and malware. Here are a few tips to keep your computer safe. Always use strong passwords, avoid clicking on suspicious links or downloading unknown files, and keep your computer's operating system and software up to date. Conclusion. Closing shot of the host and the computer. Host, that's it for our video on basic computer usage. We hope you found this video helpful in getting started with using a computer. Remember to practice what you've learned, and don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.